Okay, dear Dr. Carstens, I will try to demonstrate how to create a tunnel with a duct. So you can use either the drawing tool here, draw continuous, or you can just also with the key D from draw, and you can draw a tunnel. Let's say I'll draw this tunnel. You can edit with the key E from edit, or with this tool here, the different tunnels, and then you will see this window. So there you can change the shape. I guess you already did that. Here's a square, but let's assume this is round. Yeah. So then you have a new round tunnel. Then you have to define a closed end. I think you also mentioned you already did that. I will do it here, close, yeah, apply, and then I will define here a surface, connection to the surface, yeah, and apply, and so the tunnel is kind of ready, yeah. Oh, here I'm getting a warning. This is how the warnings are shown. Here's saying, hey, you have a closed end and an open one. There will be no flow. So we'll add the duct here. To do that, you can select with this star or just the key S from select. And you select all the length that will have a duct, and then you can go to the drawing symbol, and then here you see construct duct, right? Then this window appear. So here is going to be a duct 1 meter diameter. Then here you can change the different parameters of the friction. You can even define leakage, so how much air is escaping the duct. You can also, define the different air types. You can even analyze heat transfer. And so once you're ready, and you can click on build duct, and you will see a little duct that it's parallel to the tunnel. This is just a representation, right? The duct goes in the tunnel, but here is a representation of it. The final step is to add flow. Yeah? We don't know yet the fan, so we will add a flow at the beginning of the duct. Yeah? And you can do that here in this button, fan, and then you can define here how much flow. I don't know, let's assume we will inject 20 cubic meters. So then you can apply, and finally you can simulate, and you will see how the air is being transported to the end, and then of course extracted at the surface opening. Now a very good result from this is that when you click here in the font, although we define the fixed flow, and you will find that it gives you a quick summary of the static pressure and of course the flow. So you will know that for this given condition, you will to transport 20 cubic meters per second, you will need about 3,167 pascals, and also the power they require. You can even change the settings here for the cost. For instance, what's the cost of mining? What's the cost of electricity, of the fan? So you can also estimate the costs of your system. So this is more or less how you design this kind of tunnels. Yeah, I hope it's clear, but feel free to let me know if you want to know anything else. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the demo that you will soon receive.